Tala Falava, my name is Samantha Kwan. I'm from Samoa and I'm a Marine Conservation Officer for the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. A lot of people in Samoa, we rely on fisheries or the marine environment for subsistence and income. It's important that I educate communities about the value of these ecosystems in terms of adapting to the potential impacts of climate change. Instead of relying on stuff, say like seawalls, we already have natural resources in place that we can adapt. These values that such ecosystems like mangroves and coral reefs, these adaptation values, not many communities understand, but they need to know it because it's not every building seawalls is always expensive and it's not the right adaptation method for every community. And as we've seen in some cases with seawalls, there's an impact to the natural systems that lead out from the ridge to the reef. I think some youth are intimidated or don't want to get into marine conservation because they always think they have to do big things. But there are these small things that they can do that could contribute into national and local efforts towards marine conservation. One thing I hope the Samoan people can achieve is sustainable development through ecologically sound, sustainable means. The greatest thing about this conference is networking, because as a Pacific region and Pacific nations, we need to reach out to each other to really make a difference, especially when we share the oceans. We're a large ocean, we might be small island states, but we're large ocean states, and we share this connection with all the Pacific Islands. And this conference will really help us network and keep in contact for the future.